Ladies and gentlemen, the Parade of Nations. Preceding the Parade of Nations, we have the Christian flag, accompanied by the Pathfinders Drum Corps.
Antigua is a small island of 108 square miles with over 8,000 Seventh-day Adventists and the home of James Palmer, who was instrumental in igniting the Adventist movement in Jamaica. The golden sun in our flag symbolizes the dawn of a new era, and the blue and white represent its beautiful sea and sand. The V stands for victory, red symbolizes the lifeblood and dynamism of all its people, and the blue also symbolizes hope. Black symbolizes the rich soil and the predominant African heritage of its people. Our motto, each endeavoring, all achieving.
Argentina. Argentina is the 8th largest country of the world. The name Argentina comes from the Latin word silver, argentum, and there are 521 Seventh-day Adventist churches. The capital city is Buenos Aires. Our motto is En Unión y Libertad, which means in union and liberty.
The Bahamas. The Adventist Church is the 4th largest denomination with over 11,000 members. In the Bahamas, cars drive on the left side of the road. The national fish is the blue marlin. Our motto is forward, upward, onward, together.
Brazil. Brazil is the largest country in South America, and there are 1.3 million Adventist members. Brazil has one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Cristo Redentor statue, known as Christ the Redeemer. Our motto is Ordem y Progresso, order and progress.
British Virgin Islands. The British, 60 miles east of Puerto Rico lies nature's little secret, the British Virgin Islands. With a population of 28,882, 2,599 is Seventh-day Adventists. The British Virgin Island is known to have the world's third largest coral reef in the world, the Great Horseshoe Reef. Our motto is Vigilate, Latin meaning to be watchful.
Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world by total area. It is famous for the beautiful Niagara Falls. Canada has over 53,000 Seventh-day Adventist members. Our motto is D'un océan à l'autre, from sea to sea.
China. China is officially known as the People's Republic of China. There are more than 330,000 Adventists, and it is the fourth largest country in the world. Ice cream was invented in China.
Colombia. Colombia is ranked as the second most biodiverse country in the world. 90% of the flowers in the United States come from Colombia. It's known for the best coffee on the planet. There are over 130,000 Adventist members. We mention El que murió en la cruz, he who died on the cross, in our national anthem. Our motto is Libertad y Orden, freedom and order.
Costa Rica. There are over 44,000 Adventists in beautiful Costa Rica. There is a population of 4.5 million and a life expectancy of 77 years old, which is the highest life expectancy in the world. Wow, the health message really works there. Our motto is Vivan siempre el trabajo y la paz, or may peaceful labor ever continue.
Cuba. The island of Cuba resembles a crocodile or alligator, and so Cuban is often referred to in Spanish as el cocodrilo or el caimán. It is the largest of all islands in the Caribbean. There are 294 Adventist churches and more than 31,000 Adventists in the country. Our motto is Patria y Libertad, Homeland and Liberty. ¡Viva Cuba Libre!
Dominican Republic is the oldest country of the Americas, and it has more than 216,000 Adventists. Many of the world's greatest baseball players are Dominican, and over 800,000 children play organized baseball there. Our motto is Dos Patria Libertad, our God Liberty country.
We represent Republic of Ecuador. There are more than 62,000 Seventh-day Adventists. Ecuador is named for the equator, which runs through the country. It is the home of the Galapagos Islands, where the famous largest living tortoises or turtles live. Ecuador produces and exports more bananas than any other country in the world. Our motto is Dios, Patria y Libertad, which in English means God, homeland, and freedom.
El Salvador. El Salvador is known as the land of volcanoes. It is one of the world's most popular places for surfing, and there are more than 129,000 Adventist members. Our motto is Dios, Unión, Libertad. God, Union, Liberty. El Salvador.
Grenada. Grenada is the spice basket of the Caribbean. It's the smallest of the Windward Islands. There are over 12,000 Adventists in Grenada. Every 1 to 11 person is a Seventh-day Adventist. Their motto is, ever conscious of God, we aspire and advance as one people.
Guatemala. There are more than 150,000 Adventist members in Guatemala. Though the country is small in size, it is home to 33 volcanoes. Guatemala invented the first chocolate bar during Mayan times. The nation's motto, Libre, Crezca, Fecundo, grow free and fertile.
Haiti has over 400,000 Seventh-day Adventists. The island is known as the Pearl of the Caribbean because of its natural beauty. In 1804, Haiti won its independence and became the first black republican in the world. Its motto, L'union fait la force, translated, in unity there is strength.
Honduras. There are more than 145,000 Adventist members in Honduras. It's the home of the Plátano Forest and is considered one of the 7 wonders of the world. Our motto is Libre, Soberana e Independiente. Free, sovereign, and independent.
India has the second largest population in the world with over 1.2 billion people. It is the 7th largest country by total area, and there are 920,000 Seventh-day Adventists. India has one of the 7th wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal, the famous mausoleum and popular tourist attraction. Their motto, truth alone triumphs. Italy is the 5th most visited country in the world, welcoming some 46 million foreign visitors annually. Pizza was invented in Naples, and we have 9,577 Adventist members in Italy today.
Jamaica. Jamaica is a little jewel in the Caribbean with beautiful beaches, warm golden sun, and luxurious resorts. Jamaica has won the most Olympic and world medals. Jamaica was the first commercial producer of bananas in the Western Hemisphere. It has the most churches per square mile of any country in the world, and there are over 200,000 SDAs in Jamaica. Our motto is out of many, one people.
Mexico. Mexico was the first country to introduce chocolate, corn, and chiles to the world. Millions of monarch butterflies migrate to Mexico from the U.S. every year. Located in Mexico is the Ring of Fire, one of the Earth's most violent earthquake and volcano zones. There are over 500,000 Adventists living there. Our motto is Patria, Libertad, Trabajo y Cultura, which translates into fatherland, liberty, work, and culture. Que viva Mexico!
Morocco. The official language of Morocco is Arabic. Morocco is the 5th richest country in Africa, with 99% of the population being Muslim. There is one Seventh-day Adventist church standing strong. Their motto is God, the country, the king.
Nigeria. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́ Olúwa o, Olúwa máa ṣagbára dọ̀tun o. God bless his ministry. Christianity is one of the major religions of Nigeria, and there are over 228,000 Adventists. Nigeria is one of the oldest locations of human existence, with over 250 ethnic groups. Our motto is unity and faith, peace and progress. God bless Nigeria.
Panama. There are more than 54,800 Seventh-day Adventist members in Panama. It's the most industrialized country in Central America. Panama is the only place in the world where you can see the sun rise in the Pacific and set in the Atlantic. Our motto is Por Mundo Beneficio, for the benefit of the world. Peru. There are over 664,000 Adventists in Peru. 2/3 of Peru is covered in prime Amazon rainforest. It's the 6th largest producer of gold, and it's home to Machu Picchu, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Our motto is Firme y feliz por la unión, steady and happy for the union.
Philippines, also known as the Pearl of the Orient. The Philippines is home to over 1 million Seventh-day Adventist members. It is home to the Chocolate Hills, which is brown hills inspired by the Hershey's Kisses. Philippines is the only country in the world whose flag is hoisted upside down when the country is at war. Our motto is Makadiyos, Makatao, Makalikasan at Makabansa. God, people, nature, and country. Mabuhay!
Puerto Rico! Puerto Rico is home to over 35,000 Seventh-day Adventists. It houses the world's largest radio telescope in the world. Puerto Rico is known as the Island of Enchantment. The capital is San Juan, referring to John the Baptist. Hence the Latin motto of the island, Johannes es nomen ejus. John is his name.
Spain, or El Reino de España, is the home of Pablo Picasso, Paella, and the Puerta del Sol. It has 46 established Seventh-day Adventist churches and about 5,000 members. Their motto is Plus Ultra, which means further beyond. St. Kitts and Nevis, the smallest nation in the Americas in both area and population. They have over 2,000 Adventists in St. Kitts, and both islands are volcanic with a warm, wet climate and sandy beaches. Their motto is Country Above Self. Tanzania, a country where 120 languages are spoken. It's also the home of the Mapingo tree, which is known as the African blackwood tree. the most expensive hardwood tree in the world. Tanzania has over 320,000 Adventists, and their motto is Uhuru na Umoja, which means freedom and unity.
Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago, also known as TNT, are two separate islands but one country. With over 58,000 Seventh-day Adventists, it is where steel pan and calypso music originated. Soccer or football is the most popular sport, and our motto is, together we aspire, together we achieve.
Venezuela. Venezuela has around 134,302 Seventh-day Adventists. The traditional food is arepas. Angel Falls is the world's highest waterfall, which drops 3,212 feet. Our motto is Dios y Federación, God and Federation.
The U.S. Virgin Islands. The U.S. Virgin Islands, consisting of three main islands, St. Thomas, St. John, and St. Croix, is home to over 7,000 Adventists. The country's nickname is American Paradise. Tourism is a primary economic activity, and our motto is United in Pride and Hope.
The United States of America. There are almost 1,100,000 Adventist members in the U.S. It is one of the most diverse countries on earth, the fourth largest in the world by area, and the third largest in terms of population. It declared independence from the United Kingdom on July 4th, 1776. Mount McKinley, which is in Alaska, is the tallest mountain on earth from base to summit. In 1782, Congress designated the nation's motto as E pluribus unum, or from many one. However, in 1956, the motto was changed to the current motto, which is In God We Trust.
Oh, say
o'er the land of the free and the home of the
I want you to take a look at what you see up here. And we've just sung the national anthem, and obviously we live in this country. But as you look up here, we see all the nations of the world represented, and yet we are all here with one focus, and that is to worship God, and one day to do it not here on this earth, but to do it when we gather in front of His throne in heaven.